Hi everyone, it's Scott from StruSoft here. Um, Today I'm going to show you how you can make some new element statuses from scratch and how you can control this element status. So if you're taking a look at my screen, like you can see here, I am in the Results Manager, and in this Results Manager we got also the settings. And in the settings here we got this button here with status, and what we can do, we just simply clicking with adding some new status, and then we can then we need to define what is the status ID, so that's a number, and doesn't matter what kind of number you want to use. And here we got some other things like description, status type, and color. In the first, we are not ready for production, and we can set it on the right one, red one. So what we can do here is just like the status type. You can do it in your own language, of course, but for this case, I want to write not ready for production. Then we can do ready for production. And we can do it in orange. Status I want to add is plan for production. It's brown. And do status types, they are referred to your your status of the element. I need also to explain that we also got statuses for the drawings, of course, but that's another part, and that's something we can talk about another time. Yeah, just want to status more. That's the green one. And the color. It's 60. I need also to tell you that, of course, you can make so many status if you want, but this status type, it's referring to actually doing something. But if you're thinking, okay, I want also getting a status like I have ordered reinforcement, then you can do it like this. So status 15, for example, ordered reinforcement. If you are doing it like this, then impact will say duplicate status type found, cannot save. So what you can do in this situation is just setting it on no status. But if the planner ordered the reinforcement, he can set the status from the elements to ordered reinforcement. So that's actually easy enough. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to the project manager, and like you can see here, I got my element color in my status. I need to reload it there. So here you can see that all these statuses, they are here. And I make some cast planning on forehand, and here you can see, no, not the cast planning, they are produced actually. They are produced and approved. So actually it's just coming through directly. And you can also do it by hand. So if you want to set the element status here, yeah, then you could do it also like this. So positive reinforcement and that one. This is coming back here under element ideas, and the look. Then you can select all the statuses, and I want also only see status 50, or reinforcement, and I will work from there. So that's it for now. If you have some questions, to take contact.